Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be doing the avocado, banana, and egg hair mask. I will be relaxing my hair soon. That's the whole point of me doing this mask right now, so I'm pretty excited to get it done. Now, you don't necessarily need to go out and buy stuff for this because all the products that I'm using, I had them in the fridge. So I just thought, you know what, let me go right ahead and make a mask so I can make my hair even stronger before I relax it. I actually had to add some water to this mixture, not a lot, probably about a quarter cup, because it was kind of hard to blend up and all that. So I added just a little bit of water to make it easier to blend. You don't necessarily have to blend it up too. You can actually use a fork or a spoon to try to squish it out. But if you blend it up, you get more out of the mask. And when you rinse it out, it also prevents blockage in your drain. So unless you're going to wash your hair outside or something. But if you're going to wash your hair in the bathroom, then it's always best to blend it up so you don't block up your drain and all of that. Before I start putting in the mask in my hair, of course, I'm going to section off my hair and all that good stuff. But I'm also adding some shea butter to my hair because when you put egg in your hair, it actually makes your hair a little stiff. So I'm just putting the shea butter in there to make it just a little bit softer and all that. This hair mask can get a bit messy, especially if it's quite runny. Mine is not so runny, it's kind of thick, but it still can get messy, so be aware of that. You can just use your fingers, your hand, to just apply the mask to your hair. You don't need anything special. If you want, you could use one of those, I think it's called an applicator brush, I don't know. But yeah, you can use one of those brushes if you want. I actually do have one, but it's gonna take way more time and I don't got time for that. So right now I'm just taking some of the mask from the bowl and just pretty much putting it in my hair. You can do it either way. You can start from the ends up to the roots, or from the roots to the ends, whichever one is better for you. This mask is one of the simplest masks to make at home, like a DIY mask. This is one of the easiest masks to make, and a lot of people love using it because there are a lot of benefits that are included in this. If you notice that my voiceover becomes loud, it's because it's raining, and this is pretty much the only time that I'm getting to do this right now, so I apologize in advance if it's a bother. Anyway, some of the benefits of using this mask is that it eliminates frizz and improves your hair texture from within. Yeah, guys, we're going deep within to make sure that your hair is healthy. Bananas have potassium, which softens your hair and helps your hair to grow. It makes your hair more manageable and shiny. It's also great if you have dandruff and stuff. This will help get rid of that. Avocado, no, that's packed with a lot of vitamins, which include vitamin A and D. It pretty much also softens and moisturizes your hair as well, repairs your hair from any damage that you might have had. And when the avocado is combined with the egg, this also promotes hair growth and prevent shedding. So for me, all of this is just a plus, and more pluses. So there is no downside to using this mask. You will notice, however, when you're done rinsing the mask from your hair might be a little stiff. So this is where you know that you need to add back some moisture to your hair. So you could always put a leave-in conditioner, or you could just add some moisturizers once you're done washing all of this from your hair. I'm going to be leaving this mask in my hair for about an hour or two, so I'm just using the cling wrap to kind of keep it in place and to help my hair locking all that nutrients. This is what my hair is looking like after I have removed the cling wrap from my hair. So I'm just gonna rinse the product out and do a quick shampoo and condition routine. I'm only going to be shampooing my hair once because remember I mentioned earlier that using this mask could make your hair a bit stiff. So I don't want to like dry out my hair anymore with the shampoo. So that's why I'm only like washing my hair once. Y'all, this is a new shampoo and condition that I have been trying out, and believe me, this is the bomb, but that's for a whole nother video, so let's not get too deep into that. After I actually shampooed and conditioned my hair, it still did not feel like really soft. So I told you that would have happened. So you just need to go right in with your moisturizers to make sure that your hair don't break off because of dryness and the fact that it's so stiff. So just make sure that you go in with your moisturizers to protect your hair from any further damage. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if it was helpful for you. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.